Hello guys, in this video we are going to talk about Google text-to-speech library. So let's get straight into the tutorial. For this tutorial, I'm going to use Visual Studio Code. So in order to use this library, we have to download this library with the help of pip. So fire up the terminal and type in sudo pip3 install gtts and hit enter. Now let the installation complete. Now we have to install one more module in order to work with this library, and the name of the module is play sound. We need this module to play sound from an mp3 file. So in order to install this module, just type in sudo pip3 install play sound and hit enter. So once you are done, just go to your IDE and import the modules, which are from gtts import gtts and from play sound import play sound. Now just simply create a variable called tts and now type in gtts and parentheses. This gtts takes three main parameters, which are text, lang and slow. So the text means the text you want the machine to speak. Now next one is lang, which takes the language parameter and you want your output to be. And the final parameter is slow, which decides whether your output is going to be fast or slow. Now let's see them in action. So the text is going to be hello world for now. Language is going to be English and slow is going to be false. Now we have to save this file before playing. So type in variable name dot save to save this file, and in the parentheses pass the file name. Now we have to play the sound, and to play the sound just simply type play sound and in the parentheses again pass the file name. But instead of passing the file name, we can store the file name into a variable and pass that variable name here. So let's create a variable named file name in capital letters, which means this variable is constant. So now put in file name in the place of path. Now let's run the program. As my internet is slow, you may experience some delay.
Hello world.
It works, but this is not a good practice. What if I want to output multiple text? So I have to type in this code again and again, which is going to make our code unnecessarily long, as you can see in the desktop right now. So to overcome this limitation, we can simply create a function here. So let's cut this code and let's work on a function. a function name is going to be speak and will take a parameter text. Now paste the code here, and instead of this text which is written as hello world, type in text here which relates to the text defined as a parameter. Now a function is ready. We can call this function as many times as we want. Like we can say hello world and how are you in the following ways. Now let's run this program again.
Hello world. How are you?
So guys, this is all for this video. Hope you enjoyed it. If you did, make sure to like and subscribe this channel for further updates. Peace out.